Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. Today guys, basically I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I'm able to earn and set Sweatcoin and just what my expectation and everything. If you're new to my channel, basically what I do here is share with you guys how I personally earn and line on side, and I'm sharing it with you, and I hope you find value in this content. So you need three app to basically start earning like with Sweatcoin. So the first app that you need is the Sweatcoin app. So I'm gonna share with you guys how it looks and everything. So yeah. So the Sweatcoin app is basically a app that you're able to download on your phone, and it's able to earn you cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency is called Sweat, and you are able to take out that cryptocurrency and trade it, or you're able to keep it on the wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wallet right now in a second, but I'm showing you guys all the platform look. So basically all you earn is just by walking, and they call it mint. So whenever you make a movement, or you and the phone basically can um just sense that you're moving, you're able to mint steps. So basically you walking, like basically walking or running, moving, maybe you're exercising. So that's how you're able to mint the sweat. So they have other way, or you can boost your earnings. So you have a open 2x boost. It's just lasts for 20 minutes, so each day you'll be getting this, and you can just start it when you're able to, when you're at your, they recommend that when you're doing your most active session, you should use this, so you're able to earn more. So you're able to earn also by invite. So just by inviting someone to join through your link, you're able to earn from that also. And then they have the daily reward. So the daily reward is where you're able to just earn a little more mints in the day. So yes guys, and whatever your how much you're able to earn in a day is basically 5,000 step. If you earn more than that, you can basically save those to over to the next day. So it won't go over to the next day, after the next day, just the next day. Okay. So yes guys, so all of this information, basically I read them in the learn the information tabs. So I'm just sharing with you what I've read about it and everything. So if you're wondering where I get the information from, it's basically just on their platform. There are a lot of stuff that you can go ahead and read and just learn more about the platform and everything. So yes guys, so you can also spend your cryptocurrency by shopping and earn by doing tasks and stuff like that. So I explain everything. So let's now go over to the wallet. So I'm gonna go over to the wallet to share with you guys how that looks. So give me a second guys, so let's go over to the wallet, or the wallet here. And all of these guys, you are gonna be able to download and the Play Store are some the download platform where you can download it. So yeah, so this is basically how the wallet looks. In my wallet you can see that I have around 7,000 sweats, and I have available two available just for investing and grow. So they have a platform here. This is just my overall um portfolio. So as you guys can see, I have some near and I have sweat right here. So yes guys, so then again too, you are able to grow your cryptocurrency in this platform. So you're able to transfer it, you're able to buy, and you're able to grow. So you can see that here they have a new offer. So basically it's a triple fifth try tr- triple 15 jar. So this is basically 15% per here. I did open a jar with this, and this is basically how I've been earning. So this they offer it, and I just go ahead and grab it and start. So I have been staking lot of my cryptocurrency. So basically, as you guys can see right here, I'm staking a lot of the sweats in these jars. Some of them I have already cash out earning, and some of them um I'm just earning more. So the way how you do this now and earn is just by open and earn jar. So once you are able to walk and you're able to make sweats, I told you guys that I have just two available in my portfolio. So you can just create a new jar by pressing the new jar button, and then you choose whatever you want. You can use the 15 percent, you can use the 12%, the 6%, or the 3%. I normally go to the higher one, so I'm just gonna use the 15. So as you guys can see, I have 2.6, but if I go to the max, I don't know if they're gonna allow me. So they're not allowing me. I need more. So let's see. I think I'm gonna need more. So I'm just gonna continue, and then I'm just gonna accept and confirm at the bottom here. Maybe they allow it. If they allow it, that would be good, just to show you guys how I do it. So yeah, so that's basically guys how I do it step by step. So you need the Sweat app, and you also need the Sweat wallet. So this is actually earning yield at the moment. So basically I will get 0.949 sweat. So basically 0.5 run off. That's what I'll be earning on my 2.6 sweats for the year at a 15 percent. So yes guys, so I'm just gonna close this right here, and then I'm gonna show you guys what else you're gonna need. So you're gonna need some the app to track your steps. You're gonna need a app to track your step. What I use is the Google Fit. So this is my Google Fit account, and what this does, it actually acts as a sensor to show that you're making the steps. So yeah, so you basically, when you open the app, they're gonna prompt you to um open a basically a tracker to track your steps. This is all this one look for me. This is the Google Step. So these are the three apps you will use to earn and the Sweatcoin successfully. So you don't have to use the Google Fit. You can use this one also. I'll share it with you. It's called the Samsung Health, but for me it's not really working. I used to use it, but for some reason it's just not working anymore on my phone, so I switched over to the Google Fit. So if you have any other apps that can track your steps, that's it would be good. So yes guys, so those are the three things you need: the Sweatcoin app, the Sweatcoin wallet, and the the something to track your step. So the app to track your steps. So yes guys, so guys, I hope you guys find value in this video. This is basically step by step how I'm able to earn. So yes guys, and let's say now you want to take out your earnings. Let's say you want to take out your earnings. So you can go to your wallet, and what I was doing is that I was taking out my earnings on KuCoin, but KuCoin, actually I stopped using KuCoin, and now I'm just keeping my earnings on the platform. And just so you can just press the transfer button, and then you can press send, and then you can send whichever one you want to, which is the Sweat, to another wallet that support it. So that's how it is. pretty simple and easy. So yes guys, if there's any question guys, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will be answering them for you if I have the knowledge on it, or if I have the information. So yes guys, so guys, before I go, I just want to say guys, always remember guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.